In a world of endless gadgetry, electric vehicles, autonomous driving, we all have a little nostalgia for simplicity. How about a vintage SUV, rebuilt like new? A vehicle to have fun around town, excursions to the beach, the trail, or simply a quick sprint to the local coffee shop. This is the FJ Company Classic. An authentic Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40 or FJ43. The FJ Company Classic represents a rebirth of these iconic vehicles with modern improvements for drivability, comfort, and safety. This is not your typical restoration. Engine components, cooling system, fuel system, exhaust system, tires, windows, emblems are all new. It all starts with an original Land Cruiser chassis, media blasted, powder coated, and carefully inspected to ensure it is up to factory standards. Original body parts in steel, painstakingly restored by hand to ensure they are closely in line with Toyota's original factory specs. To protect your vehicle from the elements, we apply Raptor liner for high traffic areas, 2 coats of primer, and 2 coats of high-quality DuPont paints. In parallel, our master technicians rebuild an original Toyota 2F engine block using new OEM pistons, bearings, gaskets, fuel pumps, and any other parts needed to ensure that your engine will perform reliably and efficiently during its new lifetime. Once our team of craftsmen are satisfied with these core building blocks for your vehicle, the rebirth begins. Every aspect of your classic Land Cruiser is assembled in-house using OEM components or high-quality remanufactured parts. Standard on every classic model Land Cruiser by the FJ Company are a safety roll bar, retractable seat belts, front power disc brakes, a more modern suspension, our advanced power steering system, and a brand new Toyota 5-speed manual transmission, making the vehicle easier to control in modern driving conditions. Beyond those standard features, you decide how your classic Land Cruiser is built. Color, soft top versus hard top, tire size, seating, accessories, and more. You get to choose it all using our website. When you buy a custom Land Cruiser by the FJ Company, you're buying into the collective experience of over 150 production staff members, mechanical engineers, industrial engineers, and ASE-certified technicians. Every vehicle is sold with a 1-year comprehensive service agreement, and our staff is always available to provide guidance and support when needed. It's our passion, experience, and a tireless quest for perfection that has allowed the FJ Company to establish a reputation as the premier builder of custom classic Land Cruisers. Schedule a test drive or build yours online today.